Start by logging into your WB portal on windsorbrokers.com from any browser or log in via the Windsor Brokers app by entering your email address and password. If you don't have an account, simply select Sign Up and follow the registration steps to create one. Once logged in, you'll be able to view your WB dashboard. Here, you can find an overview of all your trading accounts. Simply select the trading account you'd like to deposit into and choose your preferred cryptocurrency payment method. Choose Zixipay to deposit in different cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, including USDT, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and more. You will then need to select your preferred cryptocurrency, enter your public wallet address and the amount you wish to deposit. To finish your transaction, confirm that you are the owner of the wallet address and select Continue. Please note that you will be requested to share a screenshot of the transaction from your wallet to verify the public address used. It is also important to note that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. You are responsible for providing the correct wallet address during this transaction and for incorporating sufficient network fees for your transaction to be accepted on the blockchain. Another cryptocurrency deposit method available with Windsor Brokers is Binance Pay, which enables you to deposit in USDT. Simply enter your preferred amount and confirm that you are the owner of the wallet address before you click Continue. You will then need to confirm your payment details before being redirected to Binance Pay checkout to complete your transaction on the Binance app or on your browser. Thank you for watching.